Hello everyone, welcome to your science class. Today we are going to discuss chapter weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. We have learned in our last class about weather. So today we are going to discuss climate. Climate is not the same as weather. Weather can change within minutes. Climate describes a region's weather conditions over a long period of time, about 25 years. Every region has its own climate. This depends upon the distance from the equator. A region closer to equator will get much heat and hence will be comparatively hot. वेदर को हम 25 से 30 ईयर तक नोट करते हैं, तब हम बता पाते हैं कि यहाँ का क्लाइमेट कैसा है, हमारा वेदर क्या होता है कि मिनट टू मिनट या डे बाई डे हमारा चेंज होता रहता है, लेकिन हमारा जो क्लाइमेट है वो इस तरह से चेंज नहीं होता है. लैंडस्केप आल्सो इन्फ्लुएंसेस क्लाइमेट. हाई माउंटेन रीजन्स such as Himalayas are cooler than nearby low-lying places. The ocean can prevent a coastal region from getting very hot or very cold. Look at the table given below. Climate condition in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir and Trivandrum. Look at the table number first. Temperature of Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Mean temperature in degree centigrade. Calculate mean temperature of the month. Add all month temperature and divided by 12 because 12 month given here. Look at the table. First daily minimum temperature in January, February and December is very low. So BR says January is so cold in Jammu and Kashmir. From this table clear that the climate of Jammu and Kashmir is cold and dry. Dry means minimum rainfall. Mean total rainfall in mm. Rainfall is minimum in Jammu and Kashmir. So their temperature is and dry weather in climate is dry in Jammu and Kashmir. And table number second, daily minimum temperature in Trivandrum in 22.2. It is very high comparison to minimum temperature in January in Jammu and Kashmir. It is clear Kerala is hot climate in comparison to Jammu and Kashmir, and rainfall is maximum in Kerala comparison to Jammu and Kashmir. Kerala is hot and wet climate. Hot means hot is daily temperature is very maximum. Table above given a detailed account of climate condition of Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir and Trivandrum in Kerala. From these table, it is clear that the climate of Jammu and Kashmir is very cold and dry in comparison to Kerala, which has a hot and wet climate for most of the year. In Rajasthan, the temperature is very high during the summers, but during winters the temperature goes down. This region shows a lot of variation in the temperature. Rainfall is also very poor in this region. This region but during winter the temperature goes down. This region shows a lot of variation in the temperature. Rainfall is also very poor in this region. This region has typical desert climate. It is hot and dry. In contrast to western region of India, eastern region receive rain for most of the year. Therefore, climate of eastern region is wet. ईस्टर्न रीजन में क्या होता है, हमारा बारिश बहुत अधिक होती है, तो ये हमारा क्या कहलाता है, वेट रीजन कहलाता है. क्लाइमेट एंड एडेप्टेशंस. एनिमल्स आर एडेप्टेड इन डिफरेंट वेज टू कोप अप with the environmental conditions and availability of food in the region where they live. Point A. Hot and dry climate. In hot and dry climate, animals are adapted to conserve water. And second point, many animals that live in desert are nocturnal. They search their food at night when it is less hot. And third point, rats and other small animals in the desert stay in burrows during the day. Snakes, salamanders, tortoises go into a summer sleep situation to cope up with a heat. And next point, desert animals excrete very concentrated urine to reduce the loss of water. They can drink large quantity of water at a time. And camel have wide feet that help them to walk on sand without sinking into it. Hump of camel is a reservoir of fat while water is stored in blood. A camel can go a week or more without water, and it can last for several months without food. Thank you, student. We will discuss our next topic in next video. Have a good day.